See those ones back there? Okay, stay on them, stay on the scoop. Wait for him to come through the brush, just keep your gun on him. Wherever he gobbles, you just keep your gun barrel pointed towards it. It's hard to tell where he'll pop at. We see gobble again, so we know where he's at. There we go. Straight down your gun barrel. Point it right towards him. Get you in the shoulder a little bit. Ouch. You're not going to feel that here in a second. You know why? Why? Because he's dead. You just killed yourself a turkey. You just flopped him. Yes, baby. My freaking... Oh. You're freaking lover. Oh. You know something? That wasn't the turkey that we were hearing. The turkey that we were hearing was behind us. And I think this one heard us call. He was just jealous. And he came in from the opposite direction. He's like, oh, I'm getting... Yeah. Just oh, man. Let's go take a look at this thing. What do you think? Hey, let's just sit down here a second. Alright. We thought it was all over. I still had confidence in this spot, but we heard the neighbor. It sounded like they got one pretty early this morning. And they're probably only like 100 yards from us. I didn't even realize anybody was over there. And I don't know, they shot and a whole bunch of jakes and hens just came over here running past us. And we were going to try to shoot one of the jakes, weren't we? But we couldn't quite get a shot at them. And they were just spooky. They were all kinds of just darting all over the place. That baby, he came in, he put on a show for us. I'm pretty sure I got good footage of him strutting. Could you hear him drumming out there once he got close? That was awesome. That's the way a turkey hunt's supposed to go. You must have made a great shot, because he just dropped right there. No need to bust out of the blind and go finish him off. He's still over there flopping.
He kept putting his head behind trees until he
just... I'm glad he did, because I got some video of him that way. You ready to go get him?
Yep.
Let's go get him. Here's the beard. Got a big old rope hanging down there. Here's the beard. Got a big old rope hanging down there. So the shotgun hit you in the button and that's what made your shoulder hurt. I was going to say, it's a 410. It doesn't have much kick to it. It just got you in the right spot, huh? Alright, let's get him out of here. How much do you think he weighs?